Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Today in the studio, we've got Nate Hackney from Liberty Utilities. Welcome to the show. Good to have you here early this morning.
Thank you for having me.
You've got a very special program. It's been going on for a very long time, making a big difference here in the area. Tell me all about what is now known as the Liberty Elves.
Yeah. So Liberty's Christmas Elves program started in 1987, so it's been a while. Some of the folks on our team observed that, of course, there's a lot of awesome programs for the littles at Christmas time, but there's a gap in the senior citizens, particularly those who are alone in the holiday season. So we stood in that gap, and since then we've grown the program, partnered with the local community action agencies and the local senior agencies to grow the program from a couple dozen to a couple hundred.
What kind of what exactly does the Liberty Elves entail? What do you do for the senior citizens in our community that, as you mentioned, maybe spending the holidays alone?
Sure. Yeah. So because we partner with those agencies that know those folks well and deal with them on a daily basis, they give us the names and contact information and some biographical information, gender and age about those folks. Folks can come into our office. I can say office this year. They can actually come into our lobby for the first time in a couple of years. We've had to adapt, but now they can come in and pick up a card. The card will have their wish list. So, and oftentimes it's basic necessities. It's socks. It's blankets and gloves and toiletries, dry food items, and pet supplies sometimes even. And so you can fulfill their wish list, bring those items back wrapped and ready to go, and we'll get them to the agencies who get them to the folks who need them, who might be alone and need to know somebody's thinking about them on Christmas.
And what's it like for Liberty to be able to do this every year? Like you just mentioned, for the last almost 36 years now that you've been helping out.
Well, what an honor. I mean, it's an honor. Like I said, there's a lot of programs, as there should be, that take care of the littles on Christmas and take care of the kids on Christmas, but we want to make sure that every single person, it's not just any day. Christmas is not just any day. We want people to know, every single person to know that they matter and that we're thinking about them on Christmas. And so to be able to partner with these agencies that are so helpful, partner with our communities to be able to let those people know we're thinking about them, it's one of the biggest honors. It's one of the things we look forward to all year.
And just a quick recap, you mentioned there's cards that folks can pick up. Where can they go for that?
They can go to our office.
On the website would be
Street, big brown building. If you're not able to make it out, you can still hit us up on Facebook, or you can call into the office and we'll take care of you. You have until Monday. That's the important part. There are still a few names. We've had a lot of good partners, but we're ready to fill the rest of that list and get folks returning their gifts by Monday.
All right, Nate, thanks so much for stopping by with us this morning. And of course, we've got all this information on our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be right back after this.